Actually, I wanted everyone to just forget each and everything right now. Because until unless we are focused on ourselves, until unless we have a peace, how the things can be analyzed? Things cannot be analyzed. How we can plan? You know that what is the difference between we all human being and animals? We have a unique power of analysis. We have a unique power of analysis. We can analyze the thing. And because of analysis, you can understand why are the engineering sciences today. We are in a space, we are talking about in medical science, we are talking about robots. But taking up the robotic surgery. This is all about the analysis. You know, but whenever we are in a turmoil situation, so the power of analysis will be definitely reduced. Well, now how we can analyze? No, you know what? What is required to live over the life? Only three things. That is the emotions, thoughts, and behavior. How we feel, what we think, and how we act. Right? Am I understood to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Am I understood? Well,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is the most important? You just you become panic when you are not able to control your emotions. And you become panic also when your thinking start. When you started thinking, when you started thinking about COVID, when you started thinking about any illness, you must have heard about the law of attractions. You must have read it. The law of attraction is nothing that is the thought process. And dear friends, I would like to tell you very important things that the thought is having a very important impact on your diseases. You'll be very surprised. You will be very surprised that the 50% of the illness is because of your thoughts. Because of your thoughts. And it is scientifically proved. You can Google, and in fact, you can go for the literature. This is evidence based that the positive thoughts and the way you are thinking, it is producing the inflammation inside your body. It's so important what you are thinking. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We believe the power of thought and the way you think, your thinking, your pattern of thoughts affect your emotions. And in a combination of the thoughts or your emotions, it's reflecting your behavior. It's always reflecting your behavior. You can feel it. You can feel it in your day-to-day life. If you are upset, if you are disturbed, why you have disturbed? Because somebody told you that corona is not curable. The people are dying because of the corona. There is a shortage of medicines in the market. The people are dying because of the negligence. That is your thoughts. Now, as soon you have invited this thought, You get the information from your family that somebody in your relationship have a corona positive or COVID positive or having any number of illness. Immediately, you have your pre-existing thoughts. Pre-existing thoughts, what I'll talk about, existing thoughts and your instinct. Every human being is having a basic instinct. What is that basic instinct? If somebody is abusing you, he will also abuse. You will lose your anger. You will lose your temper. You will be angry. It's basic instinct. So as soon you are getting the information from outside, then what is happening? You have a pre-existing thoughts about the doctors. You have a pre-existing thoughts about the disease. You have a pre-existing thoughts about the system. Your pre-existing thoughts having a conflicts with the existing thoughts, and it's become their emotions, and that immediately reflects in your behavior. We have, after these three things, we have only the pleasure and happiness in our life. Every time we are thinking about either pleasure or happiness. You must have heard about the dopamine and serotonin, because I don't want to take you in a very scientific and in everything is being discussed that is absolutely scientific, evidence based. I'm trying to simplify the things in a practical and in a behavioral way. So that what I think, that the pleasure and happiness. Why I have taken these two names, the dopamine and serotonin, because every youth, every students are they are knowing that what is the serotonin and what is the dopamine. The two neurotransmitters are controlling our emotions, controlling our behaviors, and controlling our psyche. So I would like to ask you, what do you like most, either pleasure or happiness? Please be very frank with me. I think nothing. Right now, your professor are with me, but they are not going to say you anything because you are with me right now. Okay. So, what do you want? The pleasure or happiness? Because this is talking about everyone. In fact, a 5 and 6-year-old baby are having the same psyche and same instinct, and 70-year-old men are having the same concept. It's not unique and particular for a particular age group. So I would like to hear from your side, what is it happiness do we want or pleasure do we want? Am I clear to all of you? Am I clear, or I'm sorry, because I think am I clear to all of you or not?
Yes,
Should
sir.
I be more simplified?
Sir, happiness.
Happiness. Only Abhishek came out to have a happiness. Anyone else? What do you like most, pleasure and happiness?
Happiness, obviously.
Happiness.
Yeah.
Anyone else? I want students to answer this question. And please be honest with me right now.
Why not both?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I think pleasure will give happiness.
Oh, you will take
Something like
pleasure with
that.
happiness. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Anyone else? You know that every moment of your life, every minute of your life, every hour of your life is filled with one slide and this one is the second slide. Every moment, every time you face each and every turmoil, you face each and every situations with these all. The first your thoughts, your behavior, your emotions, and after that you are thinking about either pleasure or happiness. Pleasure. What do you mean by pleasure? What you want immediately. I want to have a burger right now. I want to see the movie right now. What I think that the instant pleasure, instant happiness, that is pleasure. Pleasure is very important for you and for us, but on the same side, happiness is very important for us. You know what? That many people are having. You must be understanding what I want to say. That what pleasure means. Many
Yes,
of the
sir.
many people are having a pleasure. They are taking for their pleasure. They are taking alcohol for their pleasure. Why people are taking alcohol? Because as a medicine. Right now we are using sanitizers. The people are saying the 70% alcohol in the sanitizer. That's why we are using it. Because we are using it as a medicine. The people are using, and the students something are using the drugs just for the pleasure. Right? And the maximum or sometime many of the activities we are doing for the pleasure. Okay? What do you think? The pleasure should be in the life or not? People are taking medicines, I mean drugs. Why? Because they are having a different type of pleasure. People are taking alcohol because they are having a different type of pleasures. Right now, alcohol is proved to be raising the economy of the India. So now the people, this is one of the reason adding that how the people can, how the society can be get the pleasure, increasing the economy of India also. And someone is not having the pleasure with the alcohol, but someone is having a pleasure with the pizza. Someone might be having the pleasure with. Sometimes what happens if you serve food? No, मजा नहीं आया. Food में अच्छा नहीं लगा. Food में no. Dal, chawal, whatever the things we have, no, we are not interested. I would like to have burger. Burger होता तो अच्छा लगता. Huh? So we order burger and we feel wow. You must have seen the ad, no? The way they eat the burger, ऐसे लगता है. It seems that the life is really heaven with the burger and pizza. Have you ever seen that dal roti is being given as advertised as dal roti and rice? Why it has not been advertised by our heroes and celebrities? Why the burger, pizza, and these all things being advertised? Because they know it.
Most
Because
of
they
us
know
daily
it.
consume it, yeah.
Pleasures are getting from that outside. I'm not criticizing anybody, okay? But do we get the pleasure or not? Anyone, do you really get the pleasure with burger, pizza, then the routines, food or not? If you would have not got the pleasure, so probably you would have not ordered. So now, what is happiness? What
It
is
depends
happiness?
on hunger, sir, pleasure, whether we
Yes.
got, yeah, how much hunger we have.
Okay, it's depend on hunger.
Yeah.
Well, so if you are hungry and you have been served or you are being served one katori dal and two chapati, and second person is serving you one burger, what you would like to prefer? Be honest with me.
Yeah, obviously, it's like if it's like a breakfast or merienda time, then I would go for breakfast, you know.
Okay.
Otherwise, if I am really hungry, I will go for dal and roti like that.
Well, Well, it's okay. Okay, your name is Dr. Mr. Chandra Prakash, okay? Am I right?
This is Khan Prakash, sir.
What's your name?
Khan Prakash Badu. I am
Okay,
Yaptech's
Gyan Prakash,
technical
Gyan Prakash,
student.
Gyan
Yes, sir.
Prakash. Okay, I do understand. If somebody is hungry, and if he or suppose you are in a market, okay, you are in a market, and your colleague are in the market, and you feel hungry, and there is Domino's or some other things are there, okay, it's well marketed, and you feeling very hungry, and some hotels are there also, and some fruit shops are there. Suppose there is no routine foods are prepared. I mean, there is no hotels, Indians, Indians vegetables and Indians routine foods, or we are not able to get it. Pizza, burger, and everything is there. So, have you ever thought if you could have make your hunger, you can what we call, you can give a satiety, or you can fill your hunger with some bananas and some fruits and some other thing. Why particularly for the burger or pizza? I'm not criticizing burger and pizza, I'm just taking example. The appetite would have been suppressed for a short time with the 4 and 5 bananas. Well, mean to say that what you are thinking, what is the pleasurable for you, and what you are talking about the happiness. That is very important to understand. That of course, without pleasure in our life, we cannot live, because pleasure is equally important in each and every time. If we do not have a pleasure, if we do not have a pleasure, we automatically will not be able to motivate ourselves. Definitely. But would you like to extend your pleasure? In what form you want to see your pleasure? I'm hungry. I'll take the same example. I'm hungry. I am hungry, or I need urgent food right now. I'm in a market. Okay. Now I can prefer burger or pizza or some other things. I can prefer cold drink also to suppress my appetite, and I can have a 5 and 4 banana to suppress my appetite, to get the most accurate food as per my health after some time, or by the time I get the appropriate food, I can suppress my appetite with this. So it's up to me. If I am choosing banana, if I am choosing fruits, if I am choosing some other thing, by considering that if I am taking fruits, it would be giving nutrients to my body. I'm getting the vitamins, I'm getting the minerals. If I'm taking pizza and burger, I'm not saying it is good and bad. Okay, I'm just giving an example. I could have taken the example of other thing also. Okay, I can take an example of mm, uh, some other waters and milk and other things. But I'm just talking because we are discussing burger and pizza. That's why. Well, so it's up to me what I want from myself. If I want to give nutrients, appropriate nutrients to my body, then I definitely will go for the fruits, banana, apple. Okay, and I'll think, okay, because that is giving the nutrients to my body, then I'll take a risk over that, and I will not go for that. Right? It can be there. Now, at the end of the day, when you realize that what nutrients I have taken, you will feel happy, because in the next slide I'm going to tell you how your nutrition is going to affect your mental health, how the nutrition is going to affect your gut. So at the end of the day, you will feel, okay, you have done justice with your body by taking the substances which is pleasurable for that moment, but later it is going to making a difficult situation for you, is realize you that what you have done, right? In the similar way, for last 1 year, we are just saying people, we are instructing people to wear masks. But whenever they are just for a pleasure, just for a pleasure, they right now how I'm just telling you the story of the uh, medical campus right now. What how the things are being how the COVID-19 is transmitting. We are sharing food with each other. We are knowing it very well. We are knowing it very well that the infection transmit whenever we are at the distance of less than 2 meters. Okay, whenever we are without mask, because the infection is being transmitted from air droplets. It is transmitted from the aerosol. It is transmitted from the droplets. But it's very difficult. That's wearing mask for a general community, for general public is very difficult. It's a new things. But what happens? As soon we are getting closer to the another persons, we forget. We want to talk to them. We want to share food with them. We forget. हम भूल जाते हैं एकदम. Or we just come closer to them. For that particular place, particular time, we feel very pleasurous while having a conversation with the person or sharing a food with this person. Okay, and what happens later on when the nursing officer, when the person comes to us, because if two people are there, one is positive. Now we just go for the contact tracing. Just we put the another person in the quarantine. We ask, sir, I am having actually contact. क्यों आपका contact कैसे हुआ? Sir, actually yesterday before he came positive, we have a food together. So what we think is, why don't you take the food alone? No sir, actually क्या है ना, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. साथ में खाना खाने का मजा ही कुछ दूसरा है. So just for that मजा, you are making happiness away from yourself. So we have always two options, the pleasure and happiness. Either you go for the pleasure or you go for the happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, all the students, please listen to me carefully right now. The pleasure, you can extend the pleasure. You can think about the pleasure. Because without pleasure, your life will be bored. हमेशा केला खाओगे, हमेशा यही सोचोगे तो आपकी लाइफ बोर हो जाएगी. हमेशा आप सोचोगे नहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप बर्गर पिज्जा नहीं खा सकते, बट what you want, pleasurous activities can be taken by drugs also. Pleasurous activities can be taken by alcohol also. A pleasurous activity can be taken by going to the temple and worshipping also. A pleasurous activity can be taken by talking to your teachers, talking to your friends also. Now it's up to you what type of things you are taking in your life and what type of things you are accepting in your life. So you are the person who will decide either you want to be pleasurous and you want to be happiness. And you people are saying, why I'm talking about this? Why I'm talking about this? Because right now, because of the less patience, we are running behind the pleasures. I'll come later on this one. I'll come to this slide. Whenever you are allowing whatever you are thinking, whatever you are allowing to your brain, that is being registered here. That's why at the initial stage of this session, I have asked you to please focus on your brain. Because every power is generated from this cerebral cortex. We have all the emotions comes from this nucleus accumbens. We have all the plus and minus emotions from amygdala. We have all the pleasurous activities from this brain reward system. Once you are hungry and you are choosing burger over fruits, or you are choosing any most fantastic things, some liquid or some more pizza, whatever, over the routine foods, so that the system will register. The way you registered, if you type something in the Microsoft Word, because I'm not a technical person, but I'm trying to give an example. Once you type a Word file in a desktop, I think it is registered in the hardware of this desktop. If you delete this file, still the file is there in the system. You can retrieve it. In the similar way, if once you are preferring the food what you like most because of the pleasure that is going to be registered in this system, in this brain, the reward system, and next time whenever you feel hungry, again your brain will say you, please go for the burger, don't go for the dal chawal, and don't go for the routine or your routine foods. In the similar way, when you are getting frustrated, what you feel? When you are getting frustrated, because the stress is the normal, the stress, because every time we cannot get a good news. And dear friends, I would like to tell you why we are being panicked for COVID-19. We have faced Spanish flu, we have faced plague, we have faced polio. That is more dangerous disease than this one, having the more mortality. Why we are being panicked for this COVID-19? Do you know why? Because this is some people say, sir, this is first time. Everything is first time in your life. You came into the IIT first time, na? इससे पहले तो नहीं थे ना IIT में. Exceptions are there, 2 and 3%. Some people maybe IIT Kanpur उन्होंने transfer लिया हो. I don't know. A day will come when the first time you'll be getting married. Please, okay, first time, huh? Not second time, third time. That will be the first time. A day will come, the first time you'll get father. Every time there is a first time in your life, why we are taking, it's all about, dear friends, how you take the things, how you analyze the things, what you are allowing in your brain, what you are allowing. That's I'm saying the thought process, what I'm saying, this one. Everything, whatever you are thinking is being registered over there. And for next time, your brain is asking you to do the same thing. Okay? Okay? If you are right now very much frustrated, you are taking alcohol. The next time, whenever you will be frustrated, your brain is saying, okay, right now you are frustrated, just go and take the alcohol. That is called the reward system. Whatever you are giving the hint to your brain, the similar things the brain is rewarding you. If you are getting frustrated and you are talking to your friends, the similar things are being registered in your brain that the next time, as soon you will get the frustrated or you are coming around the stress, so your brain will ask you, last time when you got frustrated, you have talked to your friends. So why not? Please go and talk to your friends. Am I understood?
Yeah.
Am I understood little bit or not?
Yes, sir, a lot.
केवल ज्ञान प्रकाश की समझ में आ रहा है और लोगों के समझ में पता नहीं आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मतलब
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं, अगर आपको गुस्सा आता है, आपको अभी मैं कोविड के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करूं, आप हिंदी समझ सकते हैं सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
कुछ लोग, मैं इंग्लिश में भी बताऊंगा. अगर आपको ये लगता है कि कोविड का इलाज नहीं है, कोविड बहुत बेकार बीमारी है, कोविड एवरीथिंग इज नेगेटिव इन योर माइंड, ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवन विल बी स्ट्रेस्ड. ठीक है, आप स्ट्रेस में आप लेते क्या हो? यू विल गो एंड यू विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग द वीडियो गेम और यू विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद द मोबाइल. इट इज रजिस्टर्ड इन योर ब्रेन. कहाँ रजिस्टर्ड हुआ? एमिगडाला में. इट इज रजिस्टर्ड. ओके, now please listen to me. Now whenever we are in the first stage, when baby cry, a small baby, I'm saying, when baby cry, so what mother does to the baby? उसको दूध पिलाती है ना. The mother fed the baby and baby is alright. Baby शांत हो जाता है. So whenever we are in stress, we always try to cope it up. So cope करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Then you want to have something. Some people say during the stress they talk to their friends. after sharing or ventilating themselves, yeah, things are like this, okay, things are settled down. Some people are, they don't talking to anyone. They are taking the help of some very nice things around here and there. Okay, they relax for some time. Now this is a pleasure. Some people are bursting very soon. Okay, I'm bursting out. They are taking some alcohol. They are taking the help of drugs. It's all right. And because you have thought about pleasure, because after taking the little amount of alcohol, little amount of dose of drug, you are relaxed for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. But in morning time, again, you are in the depression. Again, you need some time because your brain, everything is registered in your brain. They are asking, okay, the COVID, next day there is an increased death of COVID. Again, you got frustrated, your brain, okay, you are, gentlemen, you are frustrated this morning. Okay, you told, yes, sir, I am frustrated. Okay, just please go for that, what you have gone yesterday. Will push you. That is the brain reward system. Now, it's up to you, or it is not like that. How many, the number of time you will increase that pleasure activities continuously in your brain, it will be keep registered. 1 time, 2 times, if you have taken 1 time burger and pizza, no problem. The second time your brain asks you to go for the pizza, but you have a power right now. Okay, no. I am last time I had taken pizza and burger, and because that was the need, because nothing was there. But right now I have a good food. No, I know you can take. But if 1 time again you are going to the burger, second time again you are going, burger may be replaced by alcohol, burger may be replaced by many things. Okay, you know better than me. So the day will come when your brain will ask you to please raise the threshold, please raise the amount. अब इससे काम नहीं चलेगा. That is called dopamine. Anyone is asking something? Okay, I'll be a little fast. Now, can you see this one? What is the first diagram? 1 second, please. Just.
Yeah, sir. It's skeleton as well as the 2 children playing with dog, I think.
Please, anyone? Only 1 person is responding. Can you please respond? What is the second diagram? In 1 second.
The horse, the old man, and the
with
riding
the
horse.
The old man. And the first one is?
It's a
So,
skeleton,
what
and
is-
we,
It
I
is
can see
skeleton. No. Absolutely wrong answer.
skull.
Absolutely wrong answer. That is happening actually. That is happening. What happens? What I have told you earlier, that if I come to this slide, that we have a conscious mind, 10% and 90% we have a subconscious mind. In the subconscious mind, we have all the things. क्या है? What are those things? Burger are very good for the health. मजा आता है. Alcohol as recreational food, recreational drink. Party is good. Doctors are bad. Doctors are creating lots of havoc. They are looting people who have a subconscious. This is not your fault. This is coming since our childhood. This is being. It is forced by. It is given by our society, our community, our atmosphere. And the power of analysis remain where? In the conscious mind. So there is always a conflict between the conscious versus subconscious mind. Always a conflict. Subconscious mind is saying no. Subconscious mind is saying no. Doctors are always, I have seen, they have taken the kidney also. And they are doing very bad. They deliberately don't treat the people because they are earning lots of money. I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about the general people. So, they're 90% subconscious mind. So, gentlemen, you can think how the 10% is going to surpass this 90%. And whenever there is a conflict between two, if conscious mind is trying to find out the way from the subconscious mind, the things that comes That is called stress. That is called stress. The offshoot of, or what better to say, the offshoot of the fight between the conscious and subconscious mind is the stress. The definition is nothing, nowhere given at all. Your conscious mind is saying, okay, I am an IITian. How can I think like the people? But your subconscious mind is saying you are among the same people. You come from the same community. Why don't you? How you will not think? You have to think the same. आप वही सोचोगे. If you want to criticize something, if you want to oppose something, then you have a conflict. In the similar way, what I have told, what is being shown to you, sometimes that is not clear, or that is not what is being shown to you. Actually, please analyze. If you are able to see, think. That is, this is not a skull. If you see, there are two child and there is a dog in between. That is, I have given an example to you. Because what happens, why the people are saying, why the people are showing us, and let the people show us whatever they want to show. But we have to analyze. And very important things that comes in our way, that is our belief system. The belief system comes for our subconscious mind. That's why I have expressed my willingness to the Dean Student Welfare, Professor Barua, to have an interaction with most intelligent person of the nations, so that you have a less conflicts with your belief. Because we are embedded and we are surrounded by our belief, or lots of belief in our subconscious mind. If we are saying, if you have been shown that hundreds of people, if we have been taught, if we have been shown that there is a acute crisis because of the remdesivir, हमने मान लिया? क्यों मान रहे हैं आप लोग? Why don't you analyze? Why don't you analyze? If somebody is saying that the corona is very dangerous, or people are dying, why? Why are you accepting it? You have to analyze, yeah. Come on. Definitely your belief will come. Your subconscious mind will interact, will fight with you. But let's fight. तभी तो हम लोग साइंटिस्ट हैं. अगर फाइट ही नहीं होता तो फिर न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे आती? The new technology, the new innovation is because of the fight, because of thinking something new, of breaking the belief system. That's why we are talking about the evidence-based. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have told, that when there is a coherence between belief and reality, again, the conscious and subconscious mind will start having a fear. That's the mental turmoil, what we are, and finally we come to the stress. And whenever we are in stress, that the power of analysis, at what we call it, that the power of analysis, we cannot think. Our analysis power is drastically reduced. It has been evidence, it has been researched. The way you think, if you are thinking negatively, so like negative thinking, I'm just going to tell you the pathology of this COVID-19. Now your questions, I'm going to answer each and every questions right now. Now what is happening? If you understood me by this way, it would be very difficult for me, because all the scientific or neurological symptoms, and I have explained you in that in the form of burger and pizza. But now I am really saying you one thing, that what is happening because of this stresses, because of this panic. You know what is happening? Now the people are coming under the stress. Well, no one is analyzing anything. People have, I'm talking with the public, they have restored the oxygen cylinder in their home. Would you be very happy to see the oxygen cylinder every time you are getting up and seeing oxygen cylinder? and I'm getting a call. Sir, actually, I'm getting some this morning. My SpO2 is 99, but I'm getting respiratory distress. I'm just saying this is not respiratory distress. Your SpO2 is 99, and you are getting respiratory distress. What about your sleep this night or last night? No, sir, I could not sleep. What were you saying? What you are doing last night? Sir, I was doing the Aaj Tak and international on national news. Many people are dying because of what I'm thinking about you. That is the main thing. What happens if you are under the stress? Okay, I start from the first. You got the infection. Okay, no problem. No problem. It's a virus. I am a medical person. I have been facing lots of virus since my medical time. I have been facing tuberculosis. I have been facing hepatitis. No virus can affect you until you won't. No, none of the virus in this universe can affect you. You are giving space. If I talk in the terms of epidemiology, we have three things: agent, host, and environment. Host, we and you are host. As we and you have a good environment, and you and we have a certain amount of freedom to live, in the same amount of freedom is required to live the agent. Agent means viruses. इससे पहले viruses नहीं थे? क्या प्लेग नहीं था? क्या उसमें सभी लोग खत्म हो गए? क्या पोलियो नहीं था? I assure you, the viruses cannot do anything. You are allowing to make the viruses do everything in your body. What is happening? The first day you are being exposed. You are having a cough. Despite knowing everything, this is a pandemic. You are ignoring it. Okay? You are ignoring it. Okay, nothing. You are not wearing the mask. The route of entry, tell me how the dengue is transmitted by mosquito. You are knowing कि mosquito के काटने से dengue होता है तो Odomos क्यों नहीं लगा रहे हो? Why you are not covering? Why are not taking the full sleeve? If the mosquito is coming and biting over you and you are blaming the bloody this entire, I'm sorry, pardon my word, entire nation, you are blaming the medical fraternity for this. I have written a book, The 7+, where I have told that dengue is the social problem, or every communicable disease is a social problem. If you are knowing that the virus, the entry of virus is through our nose, or it is a fatal virus, okay, it is a fatal. Mortality is okay, 2% or 2.5%. You are knowing it very well, and you are also knowing that 90% of the people are asymptomatic. You are knowing that it is damaging lung. Why not? Why you are not protecting your lung by wearing the mask? Why? Why are you are not analyzing? Why? Should I tell you why? Because we want pleasure in life. Every moment we having a pleasureless activities. Today you are an IITian. You have a different pleasure of your life. Okay? But if you are in the intermediate, you could have taken all the pleasures. Like, yeah, nothing is life. Some people say nothing. There is nothing in life. Let's take alcohol. Let's do enjoy. So it means they are talking to enjoy. They are talking their enjoyment for one day. There is true that we could have enjoyed it by having a good ride of vehicle, by taking lots of alcohol, by doing business. And this is your enjoyment. You have taken this branch, IIT. You want to excel the country in the technology. That is your enjoyment. But your enjoyment, your pleasure will give you the happiness long term. The second thing is that, so what is that? You have not taken mask. First day you are exposed with the virus. You have allowed virus to come inside your body. You have a little feverish, okay, but you didn't take rest. Despite knowing this the pandemic, we have to take rest. You didn't take rest. Okay. First 5 days first 5 days is very crucial for any viral fever. We are continuously saying we have a guidelines from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. If you have a fever, please report to the doctors or take a rest, absolute rest. Please wear a mask. You are not taking a mask. You are taking your symptoms lightly. Okay. After 5 days, what happens? Suddenly, your loss of taste is there, or you are having some respiratory distress. Now you are becoming panic. Initially, you have not taken the rest. You have not taken the paracetamol. You have not contacted the doctors. Now, after 5 and 6 days, when your body is responding, now you are getting respiratory distress. It means you know what is the situation right now. It means your lungs involvement has already been taken place. But now you are calling to the doctor. Doctor, should I go for the test? Now, yes, you can go for the test. Test take 3 and 4 more days. By the time there is an acute crisis for the COVID-19, the lungs has already been involved. Now you go for the CT scan because it takes 2 and 3 and 4 days for to get the test done. Now, by the time your entire involvement of the other organs are there. Now, immediately as your positive test comes out, now you need a ventilator. Where is the flaw? So problem lies here. If you have a first day exposure, it definitely will be having a little feverish. Just go and take absolute rest. Absolute rest. If it is needed, take a paracetamol. Second day, if you are feeling that your fever is going up, I mean more than 101 or 102, means you have to every time. What I think, you are able to, students are able to remember me, analysis. Now this is the time when you need to contact with your doctors. You need to go through the YouTube. You need to go through the internet. If doctor is not available, sir, I am having little, but my fever is not able to control. Before yesterday, I got a call. Sir, I am having initially I am having a fever, but I am not able to. My fever is continuously 101 for last 3 days. So I told them directly, just go for the RT-PCR, and without any RT-PCR, I am just starting your treatment. Don't worry, you'll be all right. This is COVID 100%. So if your fever is continuously 101, 102, you could have directly talked to your doctors. So maybe the doctor will definitely ask you to go for the test. But no, what we Indian people said, what is the scenario in our country, including me also, until the things comes at this level. If we have, are you getting my point? Until the things goes overhead, we are not able to realize. So now, at initial level, you can report, but that is not in our subconscious level actually. It is our practices. When the things become very severe, we go to the doctors. So please don't be panicked. But what happens now, in a first day, as soon you are getting the infections, now without knowing anything, you are knowing the news. Okay, that the corona COVID, now I am having a fever. You started taking all the medicines which are in the WhatsApp right now, and you are doing whatever thing is possible from your side. Again, you are searching for the oxygen cylinder. It means, what is the sign? You are getting panic, or by getting panic or anxious, you are increasing the inflammatory markers inside your body. So आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको हिंदी में बताता हूँ. आप क्या कर रहे हैं, पहले दिन अगर आपको फीवर आ जाता है तो आप बेड में लेट नहीं रहे. मतलब आपका मतलब, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द जनरल पब्लिक, और मे बी सम पीपल्स, इफ यू आर लिसनिंग अस लाइव, तो वहां पे भी हो सकता है. हम रेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग न्यूट्रिशियस फूड. We are not taking good foods, but rather we are keep going our office, we are keep visiting here and there, और हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we are making ourselves panic कि what should be done. We are running behind the test, we are running behind the remdesivir कि होगा या नहीं होगा. What is happening? By putting yourself in panic, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, जो सेकेंड फेज ऑफ वायरीमिया है उसको आप फर्स्ट फेज में शिफ्ट कर. It means you are bringing the second phase of viremia cytokines storm in the first phase. Mean to say, if you are becoming panicked, you are increasing your inflammatory markers, all the cytokinins, tumor necrosis factors, CRP, whatever you must be knowing right now, these are the general terminology, neutrophils count, these all LDS, D-dimers, these dimers are increasing also whenever you are in stress, whenever you are in anxiety, whenever you are in depression, whenever you are in panic. So better nothing to have a panic. This virus cannot do anything if you start taking all the precautions. If you have a fever, from first day, take paracetamol, take a rest. Second day, if your fever is not coming down, no problem. Be inside, be at your bed. Take plenty of water. Take good foods. There is no type of immunity booster and this. Take a good foods. Take your fruits. If your fever is going up, no problem. There is no role of antibiotics for the virus. This is a virus. What is the role of antibiotics in this one? So right now what's happening, without analyzing anything, without using the subconscious mind, because we have the WhatsApp messages, and this is also a pleasurable activity, because whenever you are talking about happiness, you have to extend your pleasure, no? You have to work hard, because if you go for the gym, it takes much time. Or after evening, when you wear a t-shirt, you see, okay, I'm having a good bicep, it gives you happiness. So it means rather analyzing things, rather talking to the doctors, rather discussing with the, we have a lot of platforms. We have a telemedicine, we have an AIMS platform. Right now I am with you, you can drop a message to me. No doctors right now can deny you to have a telephonic conversation. So should I take this one or not? But unnecessary, what my experience, the people are becoming more sick when they are searching for the remdesivir. There is no role. That's why I have given this PowerPoint presentation of 2 and 3 and 4 slides. Remdesivir, who will tell you the remdesivir? If there is a problem in software, that the engineer or IT person will tell me, so who am I to saying that though this software is good and this software is bad? Why are you becoming judgmental? Why the WhatsApp University is allowing the remdesivir? Why they are becoming very judgmental about the drugs, remdesivir and these all things? Remdesivir is having only the supportive treatment, nothing else. So many of the people have went to the ICU because of the remdesivir. Because already they have a lot of pain. The people are calling me right now. What is the situation? You know why? The people are calling me, sir, my SpO2 is 95. I'm having a little feverish or headache also. So I'm saying, okay, don't worry. You can take paracetamol, take a rest. Yes, sir. Don't worry, sir. You don't worry, because already I have taken paracetamol, I have taken azithromycin, I have taken doxycycline, I have taken vitamin C, I have taken zinc. Now you tell me what I have to take. So, just I'm requesting them, who told you to take this medicine, sir? Already this is everywhere. You have to take. In fact, sometimes your AIMS people are saying, I have seen some newspaper and these all. And I don't know, of course, this viral COVID will be managed or not. Some other person, some other thing will be mismanaged. So nothing to be worried. What I think, if somebody is in hospital, the role of wellness during this COVID-19, if you once think you are in hospital and you are admitted, your oxygen is 85, but you are thinking, and that time you are thinking the pleasurable activities. And that moment you are thinking, okay, maybe I'll be having a good pizza and burger. Whenever you are in acute stress, whenever you are in acute turmoil, please relax. Please relax. Don't do the pleasurous activity, but you can think the pleasurable activity. What I told to my patient, what I say to my patient, आप ये सोच सकते हैं कि कोविड-19 से रेमडेसिविर नहीं मिलने से आई विल डाई। आप ये क्यों नहीं सोच सकते हैं कोविड-19 मेरा कुछ नहीं कर सकता? आप ये क्यों नहीं सोच सकते हैं कि आई एम वेरी वेल? Why can't you think? Why can't you think right now? Oh, this virus is nothing. I'm having a fever, and this one, my doctor is online. My doctor is doing my best. If I have telephonic consultation with my doctors, nothing is going to be happening with me. But what happens? We are into the system. We are affected by the system. We are affected by what is being sown, what is being sown by the news, what is being sown, what is being imposed. In fact, not sown. What is being imposed? Please, you all are youth, you all are intellectuals. I request you all, please analyze, please think, please go put your intellectual every time. Don't go with the crowd. The virus is fatal, but the mortality is still 2.5. None of the agencies declare the mortality till now. First wave से second wave की mortality बहुत ज़्यादा है. It is only the panic which is making people to rush to the OPD, rush to the system, and this is the carelessness of the people who are making the people rush to the ICU, nothing else. If you are allowing virus to enter in your body, okay, let's have a drink together, let's have a food together, nothing is going to be happen with mask. This is myth. The kadha is very much important. Recently I have came to understand one person is just I'm sharing you. I'm sharing some video in YouTube regarding the mask, regarding some activities regarding the vaccines. If I say the youth are there, that's why I'm saying. Okay, what we are thinking, what is our mindset? If I check the like, so only 200, 500 people are liking it, and because I'm having an interest in this to assess the mental or wellness or what we call the mental status of the people. So now I was seeing one YouTube video where the lady was saying how the people are getting treated by Fitkari water. There's 1,000 and lakhs of views over there. You know how the COVID patient can be treated with Fitkari water, and there's a lakhs of views. And वहाँ पता नहीं कितने लोग जो है उनसे कंसल्टेशन लेने जा रहे हैं कि फिटकरी वाटर से वो ठीक हो रहे हैं. We don't have any evidences. But here, when we are talking about the scientific facts, the people are not ready to accept. Kyun? Because we have our system built inside that is not allowing us to behave the way it should be accepted or as it should be behaved. That is the reason we are not able to accept the facts, and we are in fact we are getting very much difficulty, and we are getting a very much problem right now of to what extent we can provide the medical services. If hundreds and thousands of people are infected, who will have COVID can be treated in ICU, we can take care. But how you can prevent yourself from the COVID infection, that you have to take. It's up to the public. It's up to the youth. So that's why I think I have taken some much time, and concluding my session right now, again request to you all, please be very optimistic. Don't be negative, because if you are becoming negative, As soon you are becoming negative, you are releasing inflammatory marker inside your body. It means you have progressed your disease before the virus has progressed in your body. मतलब आपने वायरस को और आपका वायरस अभी लंग्स में गया ही नहीं, आपने स्ट्रेस में और नेगेटिव आके उसको और ज्यादा आप एटमॉस्फेयर दे रहे हैं. Because whenever we are in stress, our body, it is well proved, it is well evidenced. Whenever we are in stress, we are in anger, we are in depressions, all the inflammatory markers which are raised in the second phase of COVID-19, already raised in the people who are becoming panic, we are taking stress. What I have told you, this is a one virus. It is not going to do anything for you until you won't. But if you invite, what you are talking about the virus, if you invite bacteria, just go. You just go outside and take what we call it that all the routine pani puri and these from. You'll be having definitely a diarrhea. Invite the diarrhea. If you will invite, definitely every will come in your body. Everything will come in your body. It's up to you. So if you will not invite, it will not come. And second thing, rather to be a panic, or rather to get the information from the different sites, please go for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. We have the CDC website, Center for Disease Control. We have a WHO. We have a AIMS Delhi protocol. Whatever mentioned, but here I'm just not talking about you. I'm talking about the youth of the country. But by searching these all, it will give you happiness, will not give you pleasure. What gives you pleasure? By seeing the morning WhatsApp with 3 and 4 line remdesivir shortage. This gives us the pleasure. So that's why pleasure is always, the short-term pleasure is always dangerous for us. And again, we have to go with the appropriate analysis, and we have to minimize our stresses. Please don't go for the remdesivir or anything which are being circulated in the WhatsApp. And I would like to conclude my session here, and thank you very much. I would like to answer some questions from your side, and I'm sorry, I think I took this session so long, so I'm sorry for this.
Let there be 1 or 2 questions.
Shruti, are you going to read the questions?
Also, Piyush would be carrying
Okay.
forward the questions.
Okay.
So here is question. After first dose of vaccine, if a person is found to be COVID positive and recovered after 20 days of home isolation and medical support, then should one go for the second dose of vaccine as well? If yes, then after what time gap?
The first dose of vaccines, please, can you repeat your question? Could you be loud, please?
Sorry, sir. After first dose of vaccine, if a person is found to be COVID positive and recovered after 20 days of home isolation, then should one go for second dose of vaccine? And if yes, then after what time gap?
Yes, a very important questions. I'm getting this type of questions in my routine live sessions. If the first time, if I'll answer 2 questions simultaneously in this one. There is no relations that any person is getting positive after the vaccinations. Once you are vaccinating, there is no relation at all that after vaccination the person is getting positive. After vaccinations, if any person is becoming positive, it means the person already might have taken the infection from outside, and by the time the person has taken the vaccinations, after that he might have having a symptoms. Then they might have gone for the test RT-PCR and it has turned out to be positive. If the person is recovered after the vaccinations, now as per the guidelines, after recovery, it will take 4 weeks, 30 days or 4 weeks to have a second dose of vaccination. After recovery, 4-week time it is required for the second dose. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Next question, please.
Here's the next question. It's written, sometimes I feel everything is pointless. Sometimes I have a desire to do something really excellent and want to be successful. What should I do? And is everything pointless? If it isn't, how to remove and change that feeling?
If everything is becoming pointless, it means you are the person who are making pointless. Nothing is pointless in this world. Nothing is pointless in this universe. What I have started initially, that my thoughts, what I am thinking, whatever I am thinking, the way I am thinking, that's why I have given an example that the law of attractions, the law of attraction, what you must have seen. Whatever you are thinking, your word is going to be like that. If you are making the things pointless, if you are thinking the things are becoming pointless for you, of course the things will becoming pointless. The point when you are thinking that the things are becoming useless, it means that gradually it is being registered in your cerebral cortex, the brain, the structure what I have seen you. And the second day onward, your brain itself will say you, okay, useless person, what you are doing today. Again, the next day, again you are feeding your brain with, okay, or I am useless. And you are talking with the people who are also useless, who are depressive. That's why if you want to take out sometime if you are coming under the stress, please be resourceful. How to be resourceful? Please have a good company. Please talk to your teachers. Please talk to the people who are renowned, who are filling you with a lots of energy, with a lots of colors, with a lots of reality. Otherwise, you are talking with the people who are again saying, okay, gentlemen, okay, you are useless. Okay, you are 100% right. Right now, COVID is going. I also feel everything is useless. Now there is a doubling of your thoughts, and doubling of your thoughts is again registered in the cerebral cortex. In third day, again your cerebral cortex or your brain will ask you, hello, useless, how are you? And the similar type of hormones, what we call right now, what we call that the serotonin is called the one of the neurotransmitter. There is two transmitters. One is the serotonin, second is the dopamine. All the treatments of depression is based on 1 and 2. And I have told the entire story of this. The serotonin maintains your well-being, and dopamine is the reward. If you are thinking very good, suppose you are thinking, wow, I am in a IIT, Roorkee. I am blessed. Because I have a very, very good professor with me. What a campus of IIT, and AIIMS Rishikesh is very, very, very near to us. You can go sometime and you can have a rafting over there. It means the same thing is registered in your mind and dopamine is being released because you are thinking very good, right? And thoughts affect. If it is not affecting, I'm giving an example. Just think, you have a lemon, please. You have a lemon and you are cut piece of lemon and you are squeezing the lemon in a very nice food what is being served to you. When you are squeezing that lemon in the chaat papdi or any what we call any of the very nice चटपटी चीज, ऊपर से नींबू निचोड़ रहे हैं, तो देखो आपके मुंह में पानी आ गया होगा हल्का सा. As you think that you are squeezing the lemon over the chaat papdi and taking it, wow, how tasty. You might be having a salivation. एक छोटी सी चीज सोचने से अगर आपके मुंह में पानी आ सकता है, तो वही नेगेटिव चीज सोचना आपको कितना करेगा. Okay, so once you have think that things are becoming pointless, definitely entire world is going to be pointless for you. It's you. Before, just 3 months, 2 weeks back, in fact 1 month back, one of the MBBS student told me, sir, I'm going to leave the MBBS because I think I'm not meant for MBBS. मैंने कहा ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why you are saying like that, sir? I know very well. Today exam is gone up. मेरा आज का एग्जाम बहुत बेकार था, हुआ ही नहीं, अच्छा नहीं हुआ. तो इट मीन्स मैंने कहा आप अपने आप को इसी लायक सोचते हो सिर्फ. Your entire life is only restricted to one exam. तो अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि एक छोटा सा वायरस आपकी जिंदगी को खत्म कर देगा, तो इट मीन्स nothing can be done.